Good afternoon. Today I'm going to make a snack. This is a Giada recipe. It's called Candied Prosciutto. It's very good and it's very easy to make. I'm going to preheat the oven at 350 while I get this started. You're going to need a rimmed baking sheet with parchment paper. I have a 1/4 pound of prosciutto and I sliced it into like single serving pieces. I'm going to brush that with olive oil. And in this bowl I have sugar, cayenne pepper, allspice, and salt. I'm going to brush prosciutto with olive oil and I'm going to sprinkle this over it. We're going to bake it for about 15 minutes in a 350-degree oven. Brush it with the oil. Now we're just going to put some of this on. In the oven for 15 minutes. Spend 5 minutes. If these don't come out good, the house sure does smell good. This cooked for 15 minutes at 350. I took them out of the oven and I put them on this wire rack to cool. This is the second batch. This is another 1/4 pound. I ate the first 1/4 pound before doing the video. So if there is a little bit of oil left on the top of these, you can take a paper towel and just kind of dab it to dry them out. And they're still a little warm, but you can see now it's a flat wafer. And these are good. This is the prosciutto wafer. That's 6 ounces of prosciutto. And those are cooked at 15 minutes at 350. Next time I'll start watching at about 13 minutes, because even though they've got black spots on them, they're not burnt. It tastes really good because it's candied. It would just look more appetizing if there weren't the real dark sections on it. But it is still delicious. Enjoy. So I've got me a small piece here that I already broke off. These are crunchy, they're almost like potato chips. Boy, are those good. That prosciutto, it's not inexpensive. So I only bought 3/4 pound. I've cooked them all up. Now I'm sorry you ate the first 1/4 pound already, but these are delicious. Give them a try. You're going to like them. Oh man, thanks for watching.